Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amir Karam, board-certified facial plastic surgeon and founder and creator of KaramMD Skin. I specialize in facial rejuvenation, which basically means I help people look as young as they feel. All right, folks, I am going to share with you 10 examples of some facial rejuvenations, and I want you to sit back and enjoy these beautiful and dramatic, yet totally natural facial rejuvenations. I want you to see what is possible when you apply good technique, like the vertical restore, fat transfer, and all the procedures that you'll see listed here, with nearly 20 years of experience of doing nothing but these procedures. All right, let me know what you think.
I don't even see my incisions. Like, I forget that I have them. I love it. Yeah, I don't regret it, doing it at all.
How long have you been on the trifecta for?
Ever since it came out. It is truly easy.
Yeah.
And I notice my pores are smaller, I have that glow, and I'm not just saying that just because.
I know.
But without any makeup, and I love no makeup, I
Yeah.
love simplicity.
this gorgeous jawline without any, you know, laxity here, without any squaring, is kind of the hallmark of a youthful face. Having this beautiful shape to the jawline and smooth contour to the neck. Extra skin around the eyes is gone, the lateral brows are up in better position.
It was a great decision. I'm so happy I did it. And yeah, it's been a great experience all the way through.
That's awesome.